Chapter 2, Linear Equations in One Variable. We have already started this chapter. Now let us take a quick revision of this. Now algebraic expression, as I have already told you, it is nothing but combination of constant, coefficient and variables. If we see here 4x square plus 2y minus 8, we know about variables. They are not having fixed values, their values changes, and that is why they are called variables, because their values varies according to the algebraic expression or equation. Now here the important part is that it is the combination of variables like x and y. These are the two variables over here, and 4 is the coefficient, and here 2 is the coefficient. We know that coefficient is nothing but it is a number which is multiplied with a variable. So in this case there are two variables x and y, so there are two constants here, coefficients here, 4 and 2. 4 is the coefficient of x and 2 is the coefficient of y, whereas minus 8, it is constant. So this is nothing but algebraic expression, as it is a combination of variables, coefficient and constant. Now, what is algebraic equation? It is nothing but when we write any algebraic expression, when we equate it with something. For example, 4x square plus 2y minus 8 is equals to, if I write 3. Now there are two sides. This is one side, this is another side. This is the sign of is equals to. So it means what? Algebraic expressions when are equating with other, then it becomes an equation. So in case of equation, you will find that there is a sign of is equals to. On other side, it may be an algebraic expression or a constant, or it may be 0. It is not compulsory to have any non-zero value, but there is something here, and if 0 is there, then also it is an equation. So whenever you see this sign of is equals to, it means this is nothing but algebraic equation. So the basic difference between algebraic expression and equation is that in case of algebraic equation you will find the sign of equality, whereas in case of algebraic expression it is just like a phrase. Okay, there's no is equal to sign. So this is all about algebraic equation and expression. Now you are having doubt in term. As I have already explained, term is nothing but it is the individual part, which is when combined with the mathematical operations, then these are called terms. In this case, if we see here in this algebraic expression, it is made up of three terms: 4x square, 2y and minus 8. These are three terms. As we know, any sentence is formed with the help of words. Like in, if you have to write your name, so you can write my name is, let us write Om. So this is made up of this one word, second word, third word and fourth word. So this whole statement, this whole sentence is made up of these four words. Same way in mathematical language, when we add various values by any mathematical operation, like here the mathematical operation, let us take, it is addition, here it is subtraction. So this is one term, this is another term. This we can also write as plus minus 8. So here we can see that these are three terms in case of algebraic expression. So here we can write 4x square, this is one term, 2y, this is another term, and minus 8 in this algebraic expression, this is another term. So these are three terms if we see in case of this algebraic expression. So I hope you have understood the meaning of term with this example. Now let us see what is power. In lower classes you have already studied about this power. It is nothing but the exponent. Here base is this variable x and it is having 2 at the head. So it is nothing but it is called power. Now if you see here 4x square plus 2y minus 8. Here if we see the powers, x is having power 2 and y is having power 1. Here nothing is there. It means it is 1. It is not 0. I hope you know that anything which is having raised to power 0, it becomes 1. 5 raised to power 0, it becomes 1. So when nothing is there, it means, if nothing is there, it means it is having power 1, not 0. Don't consider it as 0. When you say it as 0, it becomes 1. So here we can see that these are the powers. Now when we talk about the highest power, now if you see this algebraic expression, this is 1 and this is 2. So out of 1 and 2, which is the highest power in this algebraic expression? 2 is higher than 1. So the highest power in this algebraic expression, we can take it as 2. So this is the highest power in this. Now let us take another example. If I write 3x plus 2, in this case only one variable is there, that is x, and it is having power 1. So here we can say that its highest power is 1. I hope this part is clear. What is power and what is highest power? It can be anything. If you take some other example like 3y raised to power 3 plus 8y minus 6x. In this case it is having power 1. Nothing is there, it means it is having power 1, and this is 3. So out of these 3, which is the highest power? 3 is the highest power. Okay, so I hope this part is clear, what is highest power. Now let us see what is linear equation. See, as name indicates, linear, it comes from the graph. You in higher classes you will come to know why these equations are called linear, because in these equations you will find that you will get a straight line when you plot this equation. Line of this equation is a straight line, that is why it is called linear equation. Now when we are saying linear equation, it means whenever any algebraic equation is having highest power 1 and it is having only one variable, then we say that it is a linear equation. Okay, and this linear equation is also called first degree equation. This is also called first degree equation. Linear equation is also called first degree equation. Now what are linear equations? The equation which is having highest power 1 and is having only one variable. For example, if we see here there are two variables, so it is not linear equation in one variable, it is in two variables. Secondly, it is having highest power 2, so it is not linear equation. There are having different names for these equations, which are having highest power as 2 is called quadratic, when it is 3 it is called cubic. So there are different names to these algebraic expressions or algebraic equations. But what is linear equation? In linear equation only one variable is there. We can take another examples also, like 5x plus 2 is equals to 8. This is also an linear equation because it is having only one variable and it is having highest power as 1. But when I write 5x square plus 3 is equals to 6, here the highest power is 2, even though variable is 1, but here highest power is 2, so it is not a linear equation, but here it is linear equation. When I take another example like 15y plus 8z is equals to 6. In this case highest power is 1, but here you will find that, so it is a linear equation, no doubt, as highest power is 1, so it is a linear equation. But here variables are 2, so it is linear equation in two variables. So it is linear equation in two variable. But when we are talking about linear equation in one variable specifically, then it is having highest power 1 and is having only one variable. So I hope this part is clear. What is linear equation? Highest power, power, terms, algebraic equation, algebraic expression. So just go through these points and in next video we'll see the next part of it.